Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the household indoor foldable drying rack, a versatile solution for all your laundry drying needs. Crafted from durable iron pipe material, this rack features an anti-rust spray paint exterior, ensuring longevity and resistance to rust. Its accordion folding design allows for easy storage, making it a perfect space-saving option for both indoor and outdoor use. The stable structure guarantees that it won't collapse under the weight of your clothes, providing peace of mind as you hang everything from towels to delicates and kids' clothes. With its retractable and adjustable width, this drying rack offers ample space to dry numerous items at once, catering to all your air drying requirements. Purchase with absolute confidence, knowing that any issues will be addressed promptly within 24 hours. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.